get you some. Oh, yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow! G'day lovelies, welcome back. Alrighty, today we're doing something fun, easy and absolutely moreish. So I bought some chocolate coated pretzels a few weeks back. I hadn't even had pretzels in ages. I thought I'll give them a crack. They were $9 for a tiny little bag. I smashed them, mate. So I'm one of these people that like to savour the last one and really enjoy it and say goodbye to it. But I put my hand in the bag and they were all gone and I didn't get a chance to say goodbye. So now I've got this problem. I need chocolate coated pretzels, but I don't want to spend $9 a bag again. So we're going to give them a crack today. I've never done it before, so we'll see how we go. So I bought 2 bags of the Parker's salted pretzels. I got them on special for $3.50 each. I don't know if we'll need both bags, but I thought I'll grab an extra one just in case the chocolate does go that far. Now I've got normal chocolate and white chocolate, which I grabbed with Nestles, and I grabbed a block of Old Gold because for dark chocolate you can't go past your Old Gold, can you? Now in my head I'm trying to think, what can I use to dip them in the chocolate? And I found a pair of tweezers, so I'm going to give them a crack and see how they go. So first up I'm going to grab a tray that will fit in the fridge, and I'm going to put some baking paper on it. So this is something that will probably take a while to do, so you could set it all up on your kitchen table and sit there and just do it while you're watching a movie. So what we need first is a saucepan and a heat-proof bowl to put into the top, and we need to boil our kettle. Now we want to chuck our boiling water into our saucepan. We want to fill it up, but we don't want it to touch the bowl. We want it to stop just before the bowl. So the first lot, I think I'm going to do the normal milk chocolate, so I'm using the Nestles. I think these are like 290 gram packets. Alright, I got my tweezers ready. I have no idea if this is going to work. So the other theory I've got too is once it melts down, I reckon we'll get the first tray done, and then I'm going to redo the water and swap it out for hot water again, because as the chocolate cools it gets thicker and we don't want really thick chocolate on them. We want it beautifully coated. So I think the more times we change the water and the hotter we keep the chocolate, the more luck we might be in. Well, you start getting into the swing of things, that's for sure. So see how these tweezers, they sort of go inwards. If you can find some that are flat so you can grip better, it'll be awesome. Either way, these are working really well. So you definitely want to stir your chocolate, because all of this that we're dripping back in is going to be thick because it's cooling down as it's dripping back in. So if you keep stirring it, that also keeps it nice and warm and runny. I'm absolutely rapt how they turned out. They look exactly like the bought ones. Now I'm going to bang them in the fridge till they're set, which would only take like 5 minutes. Once they've set, I'm just going to stick them all in a bowl and leave them in the fridge till I've finished. When I'm ready to go again, I'm going to reboil the kettle, redo the water. I'm going to sit at the table with a movie, and I'm going to keep going. Now we're going to do it all over again. I'm going to do white next. Alright, finally got the white ones done. So what I thought was pretty fascinating is that the milk chocolate and the white were both Nestles, but the chocolate was a lot thicker and I had to change the water about 3 times, whereas the white ones, the chocolate was heaps thin and I didn't have to change the water at all. So because it was thin, it made heaps more. So when I was showing you how to do these ones, if you can get a little bowl like that and you can chop up nuts, tiny, hundreds and thousands, anything you want to dip them in, and you can also do them that way. Now out of the 2 bags, all up, that's how many were broken, so I did lose a good, just over 1/4 of a bag. And this is all I've got left. So because we're going to be doing the Old Gold dark chocolate, I'm just going to do it into a smaller bowl. So it's safe to say out of all of them, the Old Gold dark chocolate is definitely the thickest. Whoa. Alright, so first of all, it made a boatload of them, so we're definitely winning. Now, the old gold chocolate tastes absolutely amazing, but they melt almost instantly when you take them out of the fridge. So the old gold is no-go. Next time I'll just use the Nestle's dark chocolate. So I'm going to fill all the bags and I'm going to stick them in the fridge and store them there. Well, there you have it, lovelies. Chocolate coated pretzels. Alright, my arm's killing me. I've got cramp in my hand from the tweezers the whole time. But I did it so big and so many because I just wanted to show you or give you the idea of all different ways to do them. So the next time I make them, I'm just going to grab a bag of pretzels and a big bag of the white chocolate because I absolutely love them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome weekend and I'll see you soon. Doodles.